In the previous video, we have solved the add two numbers in a nominal approach, and there's a better approach. So we are going to see that in this video. So in the first approach, we converted the list into the number and then we added the two numbers. Then we created a list out of the final number, right? So there are like three traversals we were doing but there is a better approach. So there we don't need to convert that number because we finally need a list only, and generating that list is straightforward than converting that into number and doing multiple operations. Let's take the example one. 2 2 4 2 3 and 5 2 6 2 4. So if you see the outcome, we can directly add them from top to bottom, right? 2 plus 5 is 7 and 4 plus 6 is 10. We'll put 0 here and we'll have a carry of 1, and 4 plus 3 is 7 plus carry is 8. We'll put 8 here. So we got the final list by just adding elements one at a time. We don't need to convert that into number and do the maths. So this is another approach. So here the other advantage is the given list is in reversed order. Like the value at the 1st position is coming first and the 10th position is coming next and the 100th position comes later, right? So in that case we can traverse the list in the natural order. We can add the two numbers. If the number is more than 10, we can store that in the carry and we can use that for the next element. Let's try to implement this model. Before going into the main loop, let's create the head node, the previous node, the carry. We will initialize the variables which we need to use later. Let's do the while loop. The while loop will run until any one of the list is not none. We will take value 1 from the list 1 if list 1 is not null. Similarly, val 2. We will add the sum by adding val 1 plus val 2 plus the carry, which we initially stored as 0. So carry will be there next time onwards. So the carry will be there when the sum goes more than 10. So let's store the carry first. If we divide sum with floor division of 10, we will get carry. After calculating the carry, let's calculate the value which should be stored in the resultant list. That is by modulo into 10. Now let's create the new node with the value. Let's set the head and previous node. Let's update current node to previous node because when you move forward, we need to update that current node. Let's traverse the list. Let's move forward in both lists. So I think this is sufficient. We will try running this code. It failed at case 3. The reason is we didn't create a final node. If the carry is not empty after the while loop, we need to create one node for that. So after the while loop, if we have a carry forward, let's create a new node with the carry as a value. Now this should work fine. Let's try. Yes, we got all three cases successful. Let's submit this solution. Yes, it is accepted, and our code solved all 1569 test cases, and we are at the top quadrant right now. Our code ran less than 0 millisecond. Please subscribe to have more problem solving videos. Thank you.